my name is Kurrin. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the top 5 products you guys should be putting in your locks this spring. So let's just get started. Product number 1, water. What type of water? This type of water. I really like Locs God Moisturizing Spray. It's been really helping like the growth of my locks, just like the liveliness of it, especially with my color that I have in my hair. I've really been using this for probably like the last year in my lock journey. And right now I'm 2 years locked in like 4 months now. I've been really loving Loc God products. So you guys should definitely be putting water in your hair. This actually does have like water, and it has some eucalyptus tree, floral infusion, vegetable glycerin, aloe vera juice, tea tree oils, and other oils. Yo, this stuff has been making my hair very moisturized, refreshing, and it brings like just a nice shine to my hair overall. Say like if you didn't want to buy this water, you just can use a regular water spray bottle that has water in it, maybe a little bit of your favorite oil, or you can use a little bit of conditioner in it just to dilute it a little bit. But I love this product right here. Yeah, I wish I was a sponsor because I would have talked about this product a lot more, but I'm not. But anyway, yeah, this is golden. Also, I just wanted to mention too, you can use whatever like tonic water that you guys want to, or your own homemade water like rose water, aloe vera juice. Just make sure you're misting your hair every couple of days just to help rehydrate your hair, opening up your locks and your locks pores, just so they're able to attract that moisture in. Product number 2 is oil. Yes, this is another Loc God product. I love her stimulating oil, especially for hair growth. I really like this scent too. This is actually a lemongrass scent, and I really love this, putting this on my scalp. Like I said, I feel like it's really hydrating my hair, especially after using her hair mist. It just really rehydrates my scalp. I feel like I have a lot less itching. Helps soothe your scalp as well, because you know when you're have locks, sometimes the way how your locks are constructed, maybe you can find some tenderness in your locks, you know, especially after a styling from them. And it actually helps soothe locks too after like a retwist or taking them down a protective style. So I highly recommend this oil. Say like if you didn't want to spend money on this oil, you know, regular like oils like lighter oils like macadamia oil, grapeseed oil, peppermint oil, just whatever oil combination that you guys like. Let's say a tip too, like I am showing you guys these products. These are the ones that have been working for me in my lock journey. I have been adapting to different products, but I like slowly incorporate it into my lock hair routine, just because I don't want to change too much up at one time, because you know it's just like changing your diet. Like if you're going on a diet, you want to eat like less carbs. You don't cut carbs the first day, you just slowly intake less carbs over time, so it doesn't put your body into shock. And you have to think about it that your hair can actually go into shock too when you're changing products rapidly on it. So just incorporating different products into your routine. And that's what I did with Loc God product. I didn't just cut and dry stop, you know, using the products that I was using. I just slowly incorporate Loc God product into my routine. It's gonna be product number 3 that you guys should be incorporating into your hair routine this spring. And I am actually gonna, this is another Loc God product. Are you shocked? I'm okay. So this is her butter. This is her whipped Loc butter. Y'all, it's like half the jar is like literally gone, but it is so fluffy and so light just to put on your hair, especially towards the end of your locks. You know, I actually just put these on the end or like the shaft of my lock, just because like you can see I have like colored my hair, bleached my hair a bit, so like I really want the ends of my locks to be more healthy and more stronger than it was before. And I feel like this butter really been helping it out and keeping them very thick and not as much thinning at the end of my locks. So yeah, I really do love this Loc Butter. I can tell you guys some of the ingredients is in here: avocado oil, aloe vera butter, shea butter, jojoba butter, basaboo oil, lemongrass, essential oil. This is a lemongrass flavor. I like any lemongrass scent that Loc God has. It smells like Fruit Loops to me. It smells really good and refreshing. So yeah, I definitely really like following up after an oil, just putting like a little bit more of like a heavier cream at the end. The water, the spray that you put in your hair is actually like helping open up your pores of your locks or your hair strand. And then the oil stimulates the scalp, making sure your scalp is very hydrated. And then the oil, the butter is actually sealing in all of that moisture that we just expose our hair, our locks to. Just so you guys understand. Say like if you didn't have that Loc Butter, you can also use a leave-in conditioner or a daily moisturizer. This is the one that I love. Before I was locked, I use a lot of TGIN products, and that's what I know that works for my hair, you know. So I would say a good tip too is whatever works for your hair when it's a loose curly natural, it most likely would be working for your hair when it's locked, just to save you some time trying out different products. TGIN still works for me. However, I do find some of their products is a lot heavier, so I do dilute it. This is, yeah. So you can see, like, I had this for a while. So as you can see that this container is still very full, so I'm still able to, you know, use it. But I do like dilute it with water, or like mix it a little bit in my hand and add water to it to seal my ends, just in case if I ran out of the butter, I still be using this. So alright, so now I'm just going to talk about like scarves that I be using to protect my hair at night or during the day, or while I'm working out as well. So I be sleeping with a bonnet, and I really like this bonnet because it's big and stretchy, and also it has a band around it just to help protect the edges at night. That's which is really important to have, especially if you lay your edges, or if you have a twists as well. This is really great to have to make sure your edges is protected as well. I also be using a Durag, and so I love using Durags right after a retwist. I actually have a video that's up that I can tag here, and I will link below to actually show you how to protect your locks after styling them. So yeah, but I really like a Durag. Usually I would do a Durag and a bonnet together after doing a retwist or having a protective style in my hair. And then also too, like having one of these scarf for laying your edges. This is really great to have, just to show that your edges are protected when you're laying on your edges. So yeah, very good shampoo. That is very good for clarifying, and I really like Shea Moisture Strengthen Restore shampoo. I think it's great. I've been using this since I had loose natural, you know, hair, and it's great because it also have like apple cider vinegar in it, and so it's like it's really deep, penetrating your locks, making sure you get inside that lock. I actually do have a video up on my channel now that actually shows you how to properly wash your locks. I will have the card up there, and also I'll link it down below. But I really like this. It actually, I make my scalp feel clean, my locks, especially at the inside of my locks, feel clean. You know, I really love that. And like I said, like after I usually wash my hair, I would follow up, you know, using like the Loc God spray and the butter and the oil, you know, just to help rehydrate my hair after putting shampoo and stuff in it, stripping the natural oils and breaking it down. Another tip that I wanted to talk about with you guys about using different products on your locks is just to make sure that you're properly like cleaning your locks, like every you know, like once in a while. That's why the product that you are putting on your locks is actually getting out of your locks and it's not causing buildup, because buildup is the worst enemy for locks, and we try to prevent as much buildup as we can in our locks. So I was saying, just being proactive about washing your locks every you know, usually I do probably like every 4 weeks kinda, or like I just actually just look at my locks and just see what exactly that they are needing. You know, if they're looking a little bit lifeless, maybe I would go in and do a hair mask, you know, or a deep conditioner. Just rehydrating my hair every other day, you know, instead of like twice a week, you know? So like just being able to listen to your locks and understand its love language. We have our own love language, right? You know, the way how we want to be treated. Just think about it. Your locks want to be treated as well as much as you do. So learning their love language, learning the products that they like, learning how they react to certain products, and just you know, or being able to bounce back after washing, after doing a shampoo. You know, just understanding what they need at the right time can really like help them grow and to be the best locks that they can. I hope that don't sound too weird, like talking about locks love language, but like they really do have their own language, you know? Like some of them, like especially like the ones that I have, like when I bleached them, like this one, like she might not like that, but that's why I give her extra care when I'm doing my treatments. When I'm misting and hydrating, I do extra care to the ones that need it, you know? Just like you will put extra care, you know, to the friend who's like going through a breakup. I really hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and let me know what products do you guys use in your hair. I'm real curious about what different products of lock products you guys use in your hair, or if you guys using newer products. Would love to learn, you know, love to see what type of products you guys are using. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Yeah, I definitely keep up with my Instagram, so the best way to see what is going on, especially like behind the scenes. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. It really lets me know that you guys like content like this. And I'll see you guys next time.